Greetings, my friends. Nick here with FreedomLifeBusiness.com, sending you well wishes down your way. Let me ask you what it means to you to create a better future, and what does it take? Creating a better future is an imperative part of our lives and something that none of us can continue to ignore. The future as we know it is a product of the present. What we do today and how we think today shapes the path to our future. As individuals, it is our actions today that influence and shape the future. If we want to create a future that is prosperous and that we can be proud of, it is important that we make the most of our present moment and do our best to absolutely ensure that nothing gets in the way of our progress. It is easy to get stuck in monotony and routine, or to become bogged down by negative thoughts and circumstances. But it is not something that should stop us from giving it our best. With our best effort, we can move forward methodically and confidently. In order to create a better tomorrow, we must learn to view today in a positive light. Our attitude towards it will have a major impact on how things turn out in the future. If we take every opportunity and use them wisely, we can create a future that is brighter and better than before. We can also work on our mindset and think of ways to improve our own selves and the world around us. There are a variety of ways to go about doing this, from exploring new innovations and possibilities, engaging in meaningful conversation, and taking daily steps towards our long sought after success. All of these things contribute positively to the future. By taking control of our present actions and thoughts processes, we can actively shape a better future for ourselves. Let us make sure that we make the most of every single moment and strive for greatness in every aspect of our lives. A better future starts with us. Let us make sure we get it right the first time. Take control of your life and create a better future for yourselves. Go to my website above here, FreedomLifeBusiness.com, and opt in for my daily free email and take a look at what we do and see if you are ready to rock your future. Remember to always go for your dreams, and most importantly, stay healthy, my friends, and God bless. Bye for now.